So with Aerial America in mind, I've decided to do a series of short videos where I will just do a 360-degree turn over a region, whose purpose will be to simply give a quick bird's eye view of areas that I have visited in my travels. Today we're hovering above the New Britain Museum of American Art because I'm working on a video visit to the museum. The museum is in New Britain, a small city in central Connecticut, about 12 miles or so southwest of the state capital of Hartford. Below is Walnut Hill Park. New Britain was first settled in 1687 as part of the nearby town of Farmington. It started as a farming community, of course, and it later became, starting in the 1800s, an important industrial town. In the distance, way out there, you can actually see Hartford, and we'll get a little view of that right there. It's about 12 miles to the northeast of us. As an industrial city, New Britain was known for its production of hardware and tools, and is still the headquarters of the well-known Stanley Black & Decker Corporation. North now, you can see that's Avon Mountain. The Route 44 that goes over Avon Mountain, like notorious for being a bad road because it's got a very long downward slope and a lot of trucks would lose control and cause serious accidents there. Further west, as you look at Route 72, you see it going between those two hills there. When you're traveling along there, you don't really realize the hills that you're traveling by there. You can see that that was probably an old colonial road and maybe an old Indian trail way back when, between those two hills. Yes, so it's interesting to me to note that beyond those hills there, Route 72 actually passes over or under, under I-84, which is heading east and west. And then those hills south of Route 72 is Sunset Rock State Park, which has hiking trails and a nice scenic lake. And now down below you could see Walnut Hill Park, which is right alongside the New Britain Museum. Walnut Hill Park was developed by Frederick Law Olmsted, the well-known landscape architect who also designed and developed Central Park in New York City. One interesting fact about modern New Britain is that it has a large Polish-American population, which had been attracted by the growth of industry in the early 20th century. They have great Polish markets there. I ate at a local Polish restaurant once, and you can get all the typical Polish meals there. I have to say, though, that I was only disappointed in the Polish borscht. I didn't realize when I ordered it that Polish-style borscht is just like a watery red consommé. I'm part Polish, but in the primarily Belarusian culture of my family, borscht is a hearty stew with chunks of beef and beets, potatoes, and onions, eaten with a healthy dollop of sour cream plopped onto the soup. Oh well, to each his own. I hope this little excursion will whet your appetite for my upcoming video of the New Britain Art Museum. It's a great museum with great exhibits, and I've been a member there for a number of years, and I recommend it highly.